Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the market updates. Today is 17th of July. It's currently 1:43 p.m. New York time. BTC reclaimed back inside the range. We had the first deviation here, second deviation here. Now price is back inside the range, rejected off from the mid range and the daily supply. Right, so you can expect prices to give a little retest. It is totally normal for prices to jump almost 25% and then dump, have a healthy correction, right? I have placed my limits at this R4 demand here. We have this range low there as well. So this is the long that I'm interested in. This will be a swing play. TPs remain at the all-time high. The monthly shows similar strength. Price is pushing towards the high, right? You also had this SR level that was 58,800, perfectly held well. So for BTC, your setup is clear. We are waiting for a retracement down, something like this, towards the high, right? This is the long. Limits have been placed. You can take the trade if you want at your own risk, not a financial advice. Secondly, we have Ethereum on the list. So Ethereum's 3791, 38, 2800, 2900 was a clean support level, right? You should have bought there ideally, but still, we are roughly up 25%, so you can expect small correction. Now, these are healthy corrections, not anything dangerous or bearish, right? We can, the first level is 3300, and if you're lucky enough to get it under 3200, so 3200 is the next level for prices to have. Keep an eye at 3200 and 3300. We are in the daily supply right now. Don't long here. Wait for it to either flip this and push towards the highs, or wait for prices to get back down, test this level, reclaim, and then go. This is for Ethereum. Then what do we have? BTC dominance on the list. Now, previously I shared on Twitter and Discord as well that I was expecting prices to deviate, get back in the range, and dump towards the range low. That was 50%. 54 is a key level right now. Price is held well. We can have a flip towards this level before dumping. That would be quite dangerous for the altcoins depending on how the situation. Next up, let's take a look at USDT dominance. Basically, this is the inverted chart for BTC. You can see that this basically shows the performance or the strength of USDT rotating in the market, not any coin just plain USDT, right? Rejected off well from this level. This is a key SR level, that is 5.63. Till we are below that, we are bullish on the markets. Once we flip this supply as well, then things would be a little dangerous for the markets. We can expect some bear market more. But for now, weekly time frame, market is being held quite well. Nothing to worry. Let's go on some alts on my list. We have Pepe. Just place the limits today, right? We had this range play, a key level here, rejection, support, deviation. Now we have reclaimed. We will chop here, up the stops below the range, reclaim, and then push towards the highs. This is another setup that I am willing to take. Might get front run here, tap here, and then pump, but better be safe than hitting my stop, not following my plan. So for now, we have the point of control here as well. You can expect some chop, grind back down, consolidation here, dip below, reject, reclaim, then you can see the pump. That is the plan for Pepe right now. You can place limits there as well. This range low is going to be key level. Then we have Bonk. I'm currently in a short position. We are in this high time frame range. Right, we formed the R4 demand, bounce here, another demand created, expecting prices to go there, and then pump, break this level, and then pump towards this side. Right, this flip would be key here. So it was a major resistance level aligned with BTC going at 66k resistance. So took a risk and shorted it. This setup. Then we have Ondo. Ondo have a similar structure to Pepe. The key level here, key level, reclaim back. Now we could potentially retest this. Now why did I place limits at this key level, not at a demand below? Because our major demand is sitting right here. Let's use point of control for another confirmation, swing below to the high. Okay, you can place a DC limit there, right? And one limit here and first limit out there. So this is the setup for Condo, waiting for a retest. Now, don't long the highs, wait for prices to come in discount. Use a Fibonacci like this, then you put the retention here. 150% is the best value to enter. Then Doge, the king of memes, again similar pattern. Lose the range, deviation, reclaim, retest. 0.11702 is a good pick, especially in spot, and then you can get an easy move towards 58-59%. Solana, let's remove everything. Using the trend lines, I can easily say that we will break out sooner or later. But for now, at a rejection zone currently, I usually don't trade based on trend lines, but they are just an added information. At a supply right now, this would be the ideal scenario price going back to 143 and pump like that. This is the zone to keep an eye out on. 143.780. We have a daily demand as well. Right like this. This is the plan for Solana. TRU is running as well. This was a great trade. I will be adding more on the continuation if we get it down towards this daily demand. Something like this, targeting a range high, and we have a supply setting above. So a good pick here. This was a SR level that made me get in this setup, and there we go. INJ. What do we have on INJ? This was the level, right? I was expecting price. If it does breaks down inside, I would be willing to long 14.21, but we failed to deviate back inside. We formed this as a support and price formed high. We had this key level that should be around something like this, 23.851. Price consolidate here, dips below, reclaim, and then we can see prices going further to 33 zone. So this is the setup for INJ for now. Wait for prices to come under 24. This zone apparently 24 till 20. Best zone to buy, and it could give you a potential $33-$34. That's 45 to 50% off from this level. This could be a good pick for you. Right, we want, let's do not, what do we have? Right, not, let's see. So pretty good range. Looks like it needed that consolidation before pushing again higher towards this high. It is doing that. We are still getting rejected here. So yeah, this is the level where I would be willing to buy at the zone. This aligns with our previous range as well. So you can use that as a retest level. This zone. This retest is a good buy, target these highs and then this. That would be a great move of around 65 to 70%. So that is up. These are the coins I'm buying right now. BTC update done. We will get back to everything in the next video. If you have any coins you want me to chart in the next video, comment them down below. See you guys later.